Good day, everyone. You are welcome to Voices and Views with Olajumoke Asha. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The last time we talked about power of authenticity, and I got so many reviews about it. Thank you for the reviews. Have you ever felt you are not smart enough, or you are not good enough, or you don't belong to a particular room? If you ever felt that way, well, you are not alone. That's what we call imposter syndrome. One of the callers reached out to me and told me about her childhood experience, and I would like to share it with you. She told me while she was growing up, she tends to have this imposter syndrome. She doesn't want to do things, she doesn't want to get involved in things just because she's not good enough or because she's not smart enough. While in class, she tends to sit at the back, even when she knows that thing and she can give her own contribution. She doesn't do that because she feels she's not good enough. And today, she told me she had a kind of regret about it because things that she ought to do, she left them undone. And the outcome is not favorable. If you don't celebrate your small win or your success, and even if people compliment you, you feel they don't know what they are talking about, that's not good enough. One of the ways you can overcome imposter syndrome is by words of affirmation. Say to yourself, I can do this thing. Look into the mirror. I can do it. And so will I do it. You can sit with your friend, talk to them in practice. Even when you are alone, rehearse like you are talking to them. You celebrate your small wins. When you win, celebrate. Even the Bible says, never despise the days of your little beginnings. Celebrate your progress, a step at a time. Step 1 achieved, celebrate. Step 2 achieved, celebrate. Never stop celebrating your wins. So today, I want to tell someone out there that you are not alone. Even if your voice shakes, you are not alone. You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. I believe I have motivated someone out there. I have inspired someone out there. Thank you.